Scripture has long been a source of wisdom and guidance for millions around the world. However, there are certain verses that leave readers perplexed, grappling to understand their true meaning. One such verse is the enigmatic phrase, "Let the dead bury the dead." These 4 words, seemingly contradictory and perplexing, have sparked countless debates among scholars and theologians. In this article, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mystery behind the scripture and explore its significance in both ancient and modern contexts. Let the dead bury the dead. These 5 words, spoken by Jesus in the Bible, have stirred confusion and fascination throughout the centuries. At first glance, the phrase appears to be a contradiction, as how can the dead bury the dead? Yet, upon closer examination, it becomes apparent that these words carry a deeper, metaphorical meaning that transcends their literal interpretation. To truly understand their significance, we must delve into the historical and cultural context in which they were spoken. Ancient words, modern meanings. To decipher the meaning of this biblical phrase, we must explore the context in which it was uttered. In the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus encounters a man who hesitates to follow him, stating that he must first bury his father. It is in response to this hesitation that Jesus utters the perplexing words, "Let the dead bury the dead." At its core, this statement challenges the prioritization of earthly responsibilities over spiritual discipleship. Exploring the context of the phrase. During the time of Jesus, burying the dead was a sacred duty and a sign of utmost respect for one's ancestors. However, Jesus' message emphasizes the urgency of following him and the importance of dedicating oneself to a higher purpose. By saying, "Let the dead bury the dead," Jesus urges the man to prioritize his spiritual journey over worldly obligations, highlighting the impermanence of earthly matters. Unveiling the symbolism behind the words. Beyond its literal interpretation, "Let the dead bury the dead" holds profound symbolic meaning. It challenges individuals to let go of the past, to release the burdens of the past that hold them back from embracing a new way of life. It serves as a reminder to live in the present, to focus on personal growth and spiritual enlightenment, rather than being consumed by past regrets and attachments. Controversial interpretations and debates. Throughout history, this biblical phrase has sparked controversy and interpretation debates among scholars and theologians. Some argue that Jesus was advocating for radical detachment from family ties, while others believe he was emphasizing the importance of spiritual priorities over physical obligations. These differing interpretations reflect the complexities of Scripture and the diverse perspectives within religious communities. Insights from scholars and theologians. Scholars and theologians have offered various insights into the meaning of "let the dead bury the dead." Some suggest that Jesus was highlighting the need for spiritual rebirth and the abandonment of worldly concerns. Others argue that he was calling for individuals to let go of societal expectations and follow their true calling, even if it means leaving behind familial responsibilities. Ultimately, the varied interpretations enrich our understanding of the Scripture's profound message. Applying the lesson to modern life. Although this verse was spoken thousands of years ago, its message remains relevant in today's world. It reminds us to prioritize our spiritual growth, to let go of past grievances and attachments that hinder our progress. It encourages us to be mindful of the choices we make and to live a purpose-driven life, aware of the ephemerality of worldly matters. By applying the lesson of "let the dead bury the dead" to our lives, we can seek greater meaning and fulfillment in our journey. Decoding the enigmatic phrase, "let the dead bury the dead," allows us to unravel its timeless wisdom and apply it to our lives. As we explore the context, symbolism, and interpretations surrounding this scripture, we gain insights into the importance of spiritual priorities and the significance of living in the present moment. By embracing the lessons embedded in these ancient words, we can navigate the complexities of modern life with a renewed sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of our spiritual journey.